But how could y'all see me? Like, I feel like it's giving me beach vibes. Like, I could see me on a beach with maybe some flowy pants or something and this top on. And just, oh, I gotta put my ring on. What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Jada Jonate, and I'm back with another video. And as you already see by the title, today I'm going to be doing a hair review and just a little alternative to y'all if you don't want to do much to your hair but you want to throw on a wig and it's the summertime. Because y'all, I'm so tired of gluing wigs down and having them super duper just frozen to my head. So today I was a little bit lazy. I ain't feel like doing no baby hairs. I ain't feel like doing none of that. So I just did this cute little style with this scarf that I just bought, and I got on a shirt that matches it. And I just think this is such a look. Like, it's super simple, but then again, it looks like you tried but you didn't. So right now I just have on 22-inch kinky curly wig from Premier Lace Wigs. If y'all don't know who Premier Lace Wigs is, you need to get into it. They have some of the best lace ever. Like, this is even, like, this is without baby hairs, and they just have, this is without baby hairs, and they have bomb lace. I'm gonna show y'all me installing this wig, but I didn't like how it came out, and I think it's because I didn't put no glue down. But luckily I got this little scarf that I use, and I think this looks even better. I'm thinking I want to cut this hair into some type of shape. I'm not feeling the shape of it, so I kind of want to cut this hair into some type of shape, y'all. Like, just to give it a little more volume and to make it more, because curly hair, you gotta, oh God, I'm kind of scared. I be experimenting, y'all. Curly hair, you kind of gotta, shape a little bit. I'm kind of here for it. And it just makes it look bigger. Well, what I do to one side, I gotta do to the other side. Nah, bro, this cute. Nah, bro, this cute. And it's super duper thick and full, and it's still drying, so imagine it completely dry. And it's just, I just feel like I look super fresh, super dewy. Pull it back just a little bit so you can see the part, so I can give y'all scalp a little bit. But I just thought this was cute and simple. The quality of their wigs, you already know, is superb. This is a luxury wig. This is a luxury wig company. A lot of y'all don't know the difference between a luxury wig company and just a hair company. A lot of wigs that you work, a lot of companies that you work with or come across that I review are luxury wig companies. You have your AliExpress and you have your Amazon companies, but Premier Lace Wigs is specifically, you know, surrounded around lace wigs and lace technology and all of that. So that be the difference. So you, and wig construction, you can tell the difference between, say, this wig and a wig that I get from, you know, another company that's on AliExpress. You can tell this construction is different. A lot of people are confused, like when they see me do wig reviews, well, luxury wig reviews, they be like, why it's so high? But that's why. But I'm loving this cut that I did, and I'm waiting on it to get a little bigger. But how could y'all see me? Like, I feel like it's giving me beach vibes. Like, I could see me on a beach with maybe some flowy pants or something and this top on, and just, oh, I gotta put my ring on, and some flowy pants, and just doing what I do. Like, and this is their kinky curly. I would say it's kind of kinky, but it's not super duper overly kinky like some brands. But so I would say it's more of like a Brazilian curly in my opinion. It's not really like a kinky like type 4A curl, 4C, I mean 4B. But I just think it's cute. give the girls look.
Basically how I got this wig is, you know what I'm saying, I did the ball cap method, but honestly I didn't like how it came out after I glued the wig, so I did end up just not doing no baby hairs and just covering with the scarf because it was just too much. It did not lay how I wanted to lay. I think I was being lazy when I applied it, but yeah, y'all, I'm just trying to show y'all the application just for video purposes. But yeah, I really didn't do too much just for this wig. I just wore it with the headband because I thought it was cute. And y'all know how I apply my wigs. I have like plenty tutorials on them. This is just a run through and mainly a review on this hair. You cutting that ball cap, you have to be super thorough, making sure that you cut every single last itty bitty piece that is not covering, you know, what you needed to cover. And to keep my cap from sliding up or back or whatever, I tie it in the back. And y'all, I'm just going in with my alcohol and cleaning off my skin so it will adhere better, even though it really didn't matter because I ended up tying it on there, well, tying the scarf on there. A lot of y'all ask me what adhesive I use. Ghost Bond XL every single time, every trip. I do not like Bold Hold. Ghost Bond, it is every single time. Always place the top of your lace into the top of the glue, if that makes sense. And that's what I'm doing here, but it didn't quite turn out how I wanted to when I cut the lace, so that's why I ended up putting that tie. Plus I wanted to do a little something different, and you don't have to glue a wig down to do this. So this is me going in with the scarf, trying to do damage control, trying to figure out what I can do to make this lace or this wig to look cute. And I thought about it. I was like, people wear these headbands all the time and it looks super cute, and I never ever tried to do something like that. Kind of how I had in my time, it kind of gave me like 70s vibes a little bit, but it was still cute, and the wave pattern on this wig is super pretty, so it turned out, you know, pretty good together.
All the links to this wig will be in the description box below. Go get this hair. Also, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also turn on that bell for post notifications so you can be notified every single time I post a video, because we almost to 200K. We almost to 200K, period. And yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next freaking video.